How to download all files from Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download all of your files on your Google Drive. First thing you have to do is go to Google Chrome or any other web browser and search for Drive. And once you search for your Google Drive, you will be taken to this option where you are able to see all of your files and folders. So you can click on this list icon to easily list out all of these files. If you don't have any much files, you could just individually select all of them. Control plus A will select all of the files. Right click on it and then click on download. But if you don't think this is efficient or it's going to take a long time, then in that case, there is one other thing that you can do. So what you can do here is simply go ahead and open up your Google account, go to the account manager. And once you get here, go to the search bar and then simply search for download. And it will give you a suggestion to download your data. It's under data and privacy. And you will be taken to Google Takeout. As you can see here, everything here is selected. So 68 out of 70 is selected. First of all, deselect all of this. So you don't want to download all of these options. I'm going to scroll down and you're just going to have to find Drive, which is right here. Click on this check mark. Make sure all Drive data is included, and along with this, make sure multiple format is also checked. Once that is done, just go ahead and click on it. Go to the bottom of the page, click on Next Step. Now you're going to have to choose file type, frequency, and destination. So select where you want it to download. So I'm going to select a download link via email. It's going to export once or export 2 months for 1 year, 6 exports. I'm going to select the export at once. Select the file type. It's going to zip up your files and compress them. Now select the file size as well. So it's going to go up to 50 gigs. I'm just going to select 2 gigs for now. The output of your request might be delivered in multiple files. And click on export. And once you click on create export, it's gonna be on this date right here, which is today. Today is 28th of May. And then once you do that, you will get a link to your email. But if you have large amount of data, it might take up to 1 to 2 days, depending on your file size. Just wait for it to complete and you can unzip those zip file once you've downloaded from your email. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.